Please be aware, for the purposes of this video, we are using a demo pen. Your pen will look slightly different. Before you get started, check that the details on the prescription are correct. Mounjaro is a weekly injection, and each pen will contain 4 doses. Therefore, each pen is designed to last for 1 month. Mounjaro is available in 6 different strengths, and each pen is colour coordinated. The strengths available are 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, 12.5 and 15 milligrams. Your device will look very similar to this demo pen. When you remove the cap, your device will have a clear window displaying the liquid. Before you get started, check that this liquid is clear and it's not cloudy, frosty or contains any particles. If it does, please do not use the pen. When you are ready to inject, remove the cap, take a swab and clean the top of the pen. Remove 1 needle from the pack, take off the paper cover, push down securely and twist until in place, and then remove the plastic cap. This demo pen does not contain any liquid, however your pen will require to be primed before each and every dose. To do so, twist the pen until the first long line appears in the treatment window, and then press. Repeat this process until you see a small droplet of liquid appearing at the tip of the needle. When you are ready to inject, twist the plunger all the way until the number 1 appears in the treatment window. You are now ready to inject. Choose your injection site. Injections can be administered into the front of the thigh, into the abdomen, or into the top of the arm. Care must be taken not to inject into a muscle. Once the injection site has been chosen, pinch the skin nice and tight and insert the needle at a 90-degree angle. Push down the plunger all the way until the number 0 appears again in the treatment window, and hold the needle in place for 10 seconds to allow the full dose to be administered. Once done, remove the needle, take the plastic cap and dispose of the needle safely. Untwist and place into the sharp spin. Replace the lid back onto the cap and ideally store it in a fridge until it is next needed. This will be in 7 days' time. Good luck on your weight loss journey, and please remember we are here to support you. Thank you for watching.